Today I'm going to teach you how to pronounce these 5 names in the Irish language. Well, the first tip I have for you is that all of these letters have the same vowel combination. A, O, I. And A, O, I in Irish sounds like E. So the first one, we have Aoife. The next one, I have another tip for you, and that is that MH in Irish usually sounds like a V. We've got that here. So for that name, we have Cleva. Cleva. The next tip I have for you, in Irish, when an S is next to an I or an E, we call it an S-Kyle or a slender S, and that's pronounced like sh. So we have Leisha. Leisha, because that S is slender. Leisha. Similarly, we have an S here next to an E, so it's a slender S. So it sounds like Nisha. Nisha. And finally, my last tip for you is that when S is next to an A, an O, or a U, in Irish it sounds like S, a broad S. So we have a broad S at the start here, because this S is next to an A, so it's going to start with S. And at the end of the word, we have a slender S because it's next to an E, so it's going to sound like sh. So we have Saoirse, Saoirse, Saoirse. So once more, Aoife, Cleva, Leisha, Nisha, and Saoirse.